Hey guys, so today is day 12. I'm still gonna call it day 12 because this is my part 2. Not part 2. This is another session that I'm learning about. Two sessions in one day. Oh my gosh. I'm learning about making money on YouTube. When I said, I'm like, I have to sign up. So it is called Making Money on YouTube Part 1. Diversify your revenue. Hopefully I read that right. So these are the people. There's Jeff. There's CK. He's a manager in ads policy on YouTube. So these are the big type of people. I already started. Because you know me. There's always a problem. So yeah, it's already 4 o'clock. It starts over there at their time. I believe 3 or something. I don't know. But it's 4 o'clock for me. I'm going to watch to see what I learned. And then I'm going to come back to you guys and tell you what I learned and my opinions and all that. So, bye, y'all. Gotta go. They haven't started yet. They've been starting late, which is good for me because, you know, I'm always late. But, yeah. Let me get into it, you know. So, I'll get back to you guys. Hey, guys. So, I am back. Whew, that was a lot of information. The last part, it was like an hour long, which was good. It's okay. This is like, no. I think this is like the second panel I've been to, like, where it's like an hour long, because they explained to us everything within like 45 minutes, and then the other half they had people come in and explain their experience on YouTube and what everything else means. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the video, tell you what I learned. So this is obviously about monetization. Like, after you can monetize, what is next? How do you get paid on YouTube? This is how I'm going to tell you right now. So, when you're doing your videos, like before, to put ads on your videos, you're going to have to go through a thing called Advertiser-friendly content guidelines. So you go through that in there. Everything is going to be down in the description where I'm reading from. Well, I have some notes, but like, to follow along what I'm talking about, it's going to be down in the description, or obviously in the comments, because again, like I keep saying, you guys don't like to read the description. Well, you guys should, because it's very important information. So here, so in the guidelines, they're looking for is, I can't really see these stuff, inappropriate language. So they don't want that. What they mean by inappropriate language obviously is cussing, so swearing. They don't want that because it's like a business platform, which I understand. Violence, they don't want violence. Adult contents, shocking content, harmful, dangerous acts. A lot of people were doing this and making a lot of money, but they don't want it no more. So content that is shaming somebody and insulting a group or individual, they don't want that on there. You won't get monetized for that. Content that singles out somebody for abuse or harassment, they do not want that either. What is it? They don't want anything about drugs. So anything about that. So meaning if you're smoking in there, no, you're talking about it. Promoting substance. So yeah, if you're promoting it, no. They don't want cannabis and all that in their cigarettes or chewing or basically smoking. They don't want you selling firearm. Yeah, so anything with guns and all that, smoking weed and all that, no. But they say no, but I see a lot of YouTubers smoke while they do their videos. I don't know. But to be on the safe side, do not follow those people. Read the guidelines. They don't want I'm just gonna put a picture here because some of the stuff I cannot say. I cannot say anything that triggers bad events. They don't want sex on there and all that. So if you can't monetize, if you cannot put ads on that video, there's going to be a dollar sign. I'm going to put a picture right here. You'll see it. Let me show you right here too. It's going to have that yellow sign. So if it has that yellow on there, on the money sign, then that means it's not going to be able to be monetized. Controversial issues, they don't want. Sensitive events, adult themes, and family content. So content that appears too appropriate for general audience but contains adult themes is not suitable for advertising. Oh, so what they mean by adult what is it called? Adult content is like sex, violence, and vulgarness and all that. And yeah, stuff that are not good. That's what they don't want to monetize, which is good. It makes sense. So I've been seeing this a lot because, again, I'm gonna keep referencing DDG because DDG, he's one of the biggest like billionaires on YouTube that I watch. Okay, so you already know, I already seen it. Somebody leaked it. It was on DDG's thing when he made his OnlyFans, because he was talking about YouTube. So once you put on your ads, right, before you even put on your ads, there's a thing where it asks you, I don't know what it's called exactly, don't quote me on this. It asks you if there's profanity in there, like cussing in there. So there's a human that goes through your video and makes sure there's nothing bad on there before they could add revenues on there. So obviously YouTube is going to trust you first, and then you say, yes, this has nothing to pertain to cussing and all that, so please let the ad run or whatever. They trust you. They will let it go through. Then after, if they see it frequently, I don't know how many times, don't quote me, let's just say 15, they see that like after 15 times you keep saying there's no cussing in there, there's no drugs or violence or anything, all those bad stuff that they don't want, and they see that it's in there, then now they're gonna get a human to go through your videos manually to see if these stuff are in there, and they're able to place ads on your videos. Makes sense? So the thing I was talking about is called rate your content with self-clarification. That's what it's called. Then also there's another thing where you have to click before you put all these ads. You got to fill out so many things. There's also a thing called saying that there's violence that occurs in the unedited. So this, they were saying this pertains to more of like gamers, like it's gonna affect gamers, but they have a section for gamers in there called violence that occurs as a part of unedited video gameplay, mid violence with minimal blood, dead bodies and all that. So you click that, there's a section for them. Oh, so if you say there's violence in your thing, then they ask you what type of violence it is, and then you just click on whatever option they give you, right? And then if you want to know about updates about what YouTube does, because there's going to be policies and all that, you go to Advertiser-friendly content updates forum, then you subscribe on there and you'll get updates. So another way to make money, y'all listen, another way to make money is channel membership. So they said this is only for if you're monetized. Obviously you have to have, in order to get this channel membership. So the channel membership is, you know, when you go on someone's channel, right, and there's this thing, you know, when you go on their channel, whatever, and you see their page that says for returning subscribers, this is the video you see, and then there's an option, or if you end up clicking on their video, there's a thing that says join. That's the membership to their channel. So you pay a subscription to join their channel. Obviously when you join their channel, they're obviously gonna give you a notification, because YouTube now doesn't give notifications to everybody. But if you join their membership, you're automatically gonna get that notification on time. Like YouTube is gonna send out notifications to your loyal members. This is basically for your loyal members. For your membership, channel membership, you as the creator can choose how much your subscribers or your loyal members can pay. So there's gonna be options there. Don't quote me because I'm not monetizing it. I don't know the options. It could be $10 you pay. I don't know how much a month. I don't know if you pay for a month. Yeah, it's monthly. There's going to be a monthly. It's just an option that the creator is going to put out, and you choose it. So when the creator chooses, they're going to choose either monthly, weekly, or whatever. So it could be $10, $20 a month, $3 a week, something like that. Also, you could create up to 6 custom badges for the members. They can select up to 49 custom emojis for members to use in the chat and comments. So when I get monetized, whatever, and if you guys join my membership, you could choose an emoji, 49 emojis that you want. So like in the chat, like if I do a live stream, you can put whatever sticker you want beside the chat, in the chat, or in the comments. So you could choose whatever badge you want to put in, or emoji, sorry. And then members access to exclusive content like rough cuts, So so you get the rough cut. So like, you see how I'd be making mistakes in the thing? Well, you guys get it, but you'll be getting more, like the bloopers and all that. Members only live stream and more. So in this membership, there's gonna be a specific live stream. So you see how I do live stream for the whole channel, whatever. There can only be a specific one for my loyal members. This is great to have. And obviously, to get this perk, your channel has to have more than 30,000 subscribers. Oh my gosh. Your channel has to be monetized. So meaning in the YouTube partnership program, you have to be over 18 years old. You have to be located where monetization is available, obviously. Your channel is not made for kids, which makes sense. Your channel does not have a specific number of illegible videos. Videos set made for kids. Oh, music claims. So if you get copyright, basically, they don't want that. And your MCM, you and your MCM have agreed to comply with the terms and policy and all that. So that's how you can get it. So when you join this too, I'm seeing my notes here, you get early access to their videos. You get intimate and personal with the creator itself. You get bloopers and uncut, like I said, uncut videos. You get long format. You get archives, director's cuts, behind the scenes and live streams, regular text or photo updates. You get pools. You get membership, members only playlist scripts, exclusive wallpapers. You get GIFs, PDF files, and all that. You get custom badges, regular public shoutouts. Ooh, thanks to members, personal shoutouts for new member listed in video credits, welcome badges, or birthday gifts for members. Another way to make money too is merch. So obviously when you're monetized, you're gonna, well, you don't have to be monetized to make merch. You can do it if you want to, but in order to get that perk, where there's a lot of YouTubers, like especially there's a girl that I know, I watch her too, her name is Monique Reed, at the bottom of her channel. So you see where it has right here at the bottom where it has a subscribe button. Under that you have the merch page. So you're able to put your website at the bottom of your subscription button, which is down there. So after that, where it says subscribe button, under there it says merch. So it shows you all the different merches, and then it takes you to their website. And in order to get the merch eligibility, you have to have 10,000 subscribers, approved for monetization, channel audiences not made for children, and obviously it has to be within the country that is able to monetize. So you can still make merch, you know what I'm saying, but to get that specific website at the bottom under your, where it says subscriber, all that, then that's how you get that perk. You have to have 10,000 followers, you have to be monetized, not made for children, and within the country. Like I said, you can still have your merch website, but obviously it's going to be in the description, but it's not going to be bold, like big, where everybody can see when they're scrolling down. They were saying, are you ready for merch? You could, like I said, you can make merch if you want to, but you don't have to. But it's better to do it when you're ready. Obviously, make merch that is not copyrighted. I'm seeing this a lot of copyright. Do your own thing. Don't follow what people do. What you can to get your videos up. But like when it comes to merch, I'm saying don't follow what people do. Do what you feel like doing. Another way to make money. This is the last one. Sorry, I'm like all over. The last one on how to make money on YouTube is Super Chat. So you guys know what Super Chat is. If you guys don't know, Super Chat is this thing when you're monetizing, you do live stream, that bold thing, like where somebody pays you, somebody makes a payment and their name comes up big bold and it's highlighted. Also, they just added the sticker. Maybe the sticker was there, I don't know, because I remember last year when I joined live streams, I would see emojis, but it was something different. I don't know. To me, Super Chat stickers are new. When I saw it, it's basically like a sticker, like an emoji that when you're typing whatever, you could say, hey, my name is Jay's World, and you put that sticker there, like, oh, have a blessed day or whatever. That's the emoji that pops up. That is new to me, but you only get it obviously when you're monetized. obviously your channel has, in order to get this perk, you have to be monetized. You have to be over 18. You have to be in a city where the monetization is available. Your videos are not age restricted, unlisted, private, or made for children. That's how you get eligible for it. And yeah, that's what I learned, how you make money. So yeah, that's what I learned. I'm gonna recap everything that I learned because I'm pretty sure I was over. So in order to make money, of course, the ads. In the ad, it's gonna tell you, you gotta comply with what they're asking. If there's cussing, profanity, substance abuse, and all that, in order to get the ad onto your video, that's how you get paid. So if somebody watches your ad, you know, and if those stuff are in, so if those stuff are in, you can't put ads onto that video. Another way to get monetized is when you're monetizing your video, you gotta go through the thing it's called rate your content with self-clarification. So you gotta rate in the video, you gotta go through the forms and saying that there's no cussing, there's no profanity, again, there's no abuse, no drugs, and all that in there, and then you could put they could put the ad for you. Obviously, they're gonna do, there's a new thing now, again, they're gonna check. So if it turns green, that means it's able to be monetized. There's gonna be an ad on there. But if it's yellow, then there's no ad. It's not eligible for monetization. You gotta fill out the forms. Another way to get paid is the membership. Like I said, you gotta have all these qualifications. You gotta have 30,000 subscribers. You gotta be monetized. You gotta be in the city that is eligible to be monetized, and the video is not made for kids, like I said. And the merch. So merch, in order for you to get that nice tab that shows your website, whatever, you gotta have 10,000 subscribers. You gotta be monetized. You gotta be in the city that's monetized, and the thing is not made for kids. And super chat with the stickers. So super chat with the stickers is another way. Super chat and stickers is another way to make money. So those are 4 ways to get money. I really hope you guys enjoy this. Put this into your brains. Make sure before you get monetized, if you're monetized, always to read the policies to help you out. And if you don't understand, don't worry, I'm here to help you, okay? I really hope you guys enjoy this video. This is a way to make money, to understand. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, do all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.